Now children, we will learn how to calculate the power of corrective lens for a hypermetropic eye. So as I have told you that in a hypermetropic eye, a person cannot see nearby objects clearly. Okay, that means the near point of for a normal eye is 25 centimeter and the far point is infinity. So this near point, it will shift somewhere else which will lie beyond 25 centimeter. Let us suppose that this is at x. Okay, now for the calculation of the power, we must calculate focal length first of all. So how to calculate focal length? We know 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by f v. See, this is the position of the object. Okay, the person, the student, the anyone who is keeping the object at 25 centimeter. Like for example, if you want to read a book, he is keeping the book at 25 centimeter, then the object is placed at 25 centimeter and he wants that the image of that this book it forms at point x, because he can see at x and beyond x. Clear? So the object distance we will take as minus 25 and the image distance we will take as minus x, because the image is formed on the same side where the object is placed, and we all know that the object distance conventionally it is taken as negative. So you will take v as negative as well as u as minus 25. So when you will solve, you will get 1 by f is equal to 1 by minus x plus 1 by 25. And after the calculation of f, you can calculate the power of the corrective lens by the formula p is equal to 1 by f. Now children, let us take an example that a person can only read a book if it is kept at 40 centimeter in front of it. You have to find the power of the corrective lens. So if he can't read the book if it is kept near to his eyes or less than at a distance of less than 40 centimeter, that means he is suffering from hypermetropia. Okay, now in hypermetropia, if he want to make his eye normal, then he will place the book at 25 centimeter. That is, u will be minus 25 centimeter. And what will be the value of v? The image, he wants the image to be formed at 40 centimeter on the same side, so it will be minus 40 centimeter. Now you will apply the lens formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. The 1 by v is minus 40 minus 1 by u, that is 1 upon 25. Okay, so you will get the same 1 upon minus x plus 1 upon 25. So you will take the LCM, you will calculate 1 by f, and from this you will get the power of the focal length, and you will solve this and get it checked whether you are getting the focal length as positive or negative. Since in a hypermetropic eye, to correct it we use a convex lens. Okay, so convex lens, its focal length will be positive, so you will be getting power as positive. Now solve this question and find the power of the corrective lens.